Yes, the school uniform of Sisi is coming.
Hey, just coming.
It's coming home. Tomorrow, Sisi, she's wearing the uniform.
And the shoes.
And the shoes. Ayan na yung short, ayan na yung t-shirt, ayan na yung pantalon ng Sisi. Ayan, preschool. Ito for winter. Ayan o, for winter. That one is for winter.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And this one also is for winter. The pantalon is very long. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Pantalon. The pantalon of Sisi. And then this one is the jacket for the winter. Also.
Mommy can go. I wear it.
Yeah. And then this one is for the shirt. Yeah. This one is for the short. And Sisi for now because it's still summer. It's not too much cold. And this one also for the winter of Sisi. Okay. And this one is the another t-shirt for summer. Yay! Sisi school uniform. Thank you, Celine. Thank you. Bye-bye.